everybody. Right now I am leaving the Summit store up off of Summit Road. Great sandwiches and meat you can get from there. I did a video a while back on Summit Road itself, but or I attempted to make a video, but apparently I was not recording. So I'll have to do a retake on that. But today we are headed down Highland Way. Just there to the right, we passed Old San Jose Road, or SoCal Road. Both names will work. This is Highland Way. I don't know that there's much history on this road. To be honest, I did not look. There's not a whole lot out here. Not a good street bike road. It's a good dual sport road. It gets a bit rougher than this pretty shortly up here. But you can take this to Buzzard Lagoon, which I have a video on that. I'll link in the description. It'll also be going right by Orbsby Cutoff. Buzzard Lagoon actually runs right into Orbsby Cutoff. I don't know much of anything about that road. I heard, or I read in a forum at some point, stop sign, that it's a good dual sport road. Somebody said, but then somebody else said it's all paved, so not really sure what I'm gonna find exactly, but we'll check it out one of these days. So yeah, you can take this road to Buzzard Lagoon if that's your goal, or also it's kind of a four-way stop. Buzzard Lagoon, Orbsby Cutoff, or Eureka Canyon, which you can take the rest of the way to Watsonville. So I don't know if there's much to say else about this road. It gets a little bit one-lane roady, a little rough, a lot of mountain bikers in their trucks, so be careful for them. You'll see where there's a long row of parking for where the mountain bikers get off and go to their trails. Still not been to any of those trails. Used to go to De La Viega quite a bit, actually. Pretty much grew up on De La Viega trails. One of these days maybe I'll make a video on mountain biking. A lot of good mountain bikers come out of the Santa Cruz Mountains, actually. I just talked to a guy whose son was apparently the first person to do a double backflip, I think it was, on a mountain bike. Had a picture of it on the wall. It was pretty cool. actually built the O'Neill's building on 41st. It's pretty neat. Yeah, this road's getting pretty out there. Couple stops with decent views. This road is all paved, but as you can see, pretty potholy and wavy and up and down, so it's fun on this bike. Not a fan on the street bike. You can see the valley there. Fortunately, I don't think there's a lot of great places to kind of stop and look, but you can see it just riding by a little bit. There you go. Stopped and took a quick little picture. Apparently there's some property out here. Yeah, surprisingly frequented road. Pretty much all mountain bikers, I think. I'm not sure that there's anything else out here really. There's some hiking as well. Of course, where there's mountain biking, there's generally hiking. And where there's mountains, there's generally mountain biking and hiking. You can see there's quite a bit of dirt on the road. I'm going to get too wild and find that coming around a corner. Still got the dirt tires on here since the little camping trip in Yosemite. So you'll probably see a few dirt roads from me. I also need a new rear sumo tire before I put those back on. It's a little wasted at this point. So figured I'd leave the dirt tires on for a little bit here, film some dirt roads, and hopefully get in as much as I can before the winter rolls around. And then get a new tire and we'll go back to supermoto mode. Totally different feeling. We're approaching some parking for mountain bike trails. Yeah, as you can see, there's quite a few people up here. It's about 10, 20. Probably something I should check out one of these days. Not sure what that's all about. Curious what these little offshoot roads are. One of these days maybe I'll take a run up one of them too. Could be old logging roads or something like that, not sure. Or just private property. That looks like somebody's driveway for sure. Maybe somebody just living in their RV. So here is the end of Highland, Buzzard Lagoon Road to the right, and I believe that is Orbsby, yeah. Or Eureka Canyon that way. So anyways, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.